Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Python code inside Zapier. This is an incredibly powerful feature that allows you to add custom logic and automation to your workflows, giving you far more control over how your apps interact with each other. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to create this automation, as you'll need access to your existing Zaps and integrations. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, click on the Zap button to start creating a new workflow. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be connecting different apps and adding your custom Python code to process data exactly how you need it. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so you'll want to choose an app that kicks off the workflow. For this example, search for and select Google Forms as the trigger app. This means that whenever someone submits a form, your Zap will activate and run through the steps you're about to set up. Once you've selected Google Forms, choose a trigger event from the drop-down menu. This could be something like New Form Response or another event that fits your use case. After selecting the event, you'll need to connect or sign into your Google account to give Zapier permission to access your forms. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, and once that's done, you'll be ready to move forward. Now it's time to add the action that will execute your Python code. Click on the Action button and then search for Code by Zapier. Select this app from the results. Code by Zapier is a built-in tool that lets you run custom code without needing an external server or complicated setup, making it perfect for adding personalized logic to your workflows. After selecting Code by Zapier, look for the code option at the upper left of the page. From there, select Python from the drop-down menu. This tells Zapier that you'll be writing your custom logic in Python, which is great for data manipulation, calculations, and more complex operations. Now comes the fun part. In the code field that appears, type or paste your Python code. This is where you can customize exactly what happens with the data from your trigger. Once you've entered your code, click Run Code. This will execute your script and show you the results. You may need to wait a few seconds while Zapier processes and loads the output, so give it a moment to complete. If you notice that your Python code isn't working as expected, don't worry. Click the Edit button to go back and make adjustments to your script. You can tweak your code, test it again, and refine it until it works perfectly. Once everything is running smoothly and you're satisfied with the results, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Python code into your Zapier workflow, giving you the flexibility to automate complex tasks and customize your data processing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.